What's the meaning of bivouac? Bivouac. Bivouac.
Bivouac. Bivouac. The word bivouac refers to a temporary encampment or shelter for the night, usually used by military personnel or outdoor enthusiasts. A bivouac can be a simple shelter made from natural materials or a more sophisticated tent, and it is often used in rough or remote terrain where other forms of lodging are not practical. The term is derived from the French word bivouac, which means a watch or guard at night. Bivouacking can be an essential part of military operations, wilderness survival, or outdoor recreation, providing a safe haven for rest, protection from the elements, and a place to recharge before continuing on one's journey.